Equality and inequality. What are those? What does it mean? Well, these are things you might hear now and again. And we've already covered equality a little when I was discussing the if statement. But equality is basically saying, is something equal to something else? And that's represented by two equal signs here. But how do we say inequality? Okay, what if the name is not Bob? Like, how do we represent that? What we can do there is use the not equal to, which is represented by an exclamation point followed by an equals sign. So now it's pretty much reversed this whole statement. So if the name is not equal to Bob, then, well, this isn't going to make sense now because their name isn't Bob. So what we can do now is say, hey, you're not Bob. So if I run the software now, what's your name? Bob. Nothing's going to happen because we haven't told it to do anything. But if I run the software and put anything else, it's going to say, hey, you're not Bob. But if I just flip this operator into an equality symbol right there, it's going to reverse the whole meaning of the whole statement. So you can see now it doesn't make sense because even though the name is Bob, it's still running this. So if you want to say something is equal to something, two equal signs. If you want to say it's not equal to, then we need not equals, which is exclamation and an equal sign.